Professional Gutter Vacuuming Service, Beaconsfield Upper, Victoria. Selling walk-in, walk-out with over 2,000 customers on the database, Full Force Gutter Vacuum offers huge potential. This residential and commercial gutter cleaning service has grown rapidly since launching in December 2018. With over 500 5-star reviews, it now needs a buyer who can employ staff to meet the demand for services. Showing year-on-year increases in sales, the business offers high profit margins and low overheads. With jobs booked 2 months in advance and a wide range of clients, this business offers flexibility plus a great work-life balance. The business is currently run by a couple who work 4 days a week and take 7 to 8 weeks annual leave each year. Don't miss out on such a good opportunity to own your own business with guaranteed high income from day one.